Darius.
There we go again. Poochie and Darius. Now he's showing no interest for Poochie.
Jess.
What? What?
Your name ain't Jess.
Whose phone is going off?
Huh?
Whose phone is going off?
That's no phone.
What is it?
My music.
Oh.
Oh, great. Now the snowman has a scarf.
Your dog wants to play. She almost had him. Just gonna stay here.
And Poochie's still having it out with him.
She doesn't want to be. He doesn't want to be caught. He want to play.
And she's like, I don't want to go to snow.
Jess gonna pick him up.
Jess, pick the dog up!
Hi, Oreo. You nice and toasty? That's right, baby. You nice and toasty.
That dog is like, nobody's catching me. Alright, I'm gonna go upstairs. Put this up to Facebook. And see what pictures I want to put on it.
Oh my God. I think it was something.
You want to see this?
She almost caught Poochie and he ran away again.
Poochie wants to play. Look at that Poochie.
She was better off letting Poochie get hit by the freaking car.
I'm getting a rescue.
Here we go
My
again.
job. His dad works with rescue boxers. And
Oh, Poochie's
he had
back
a
out.
boxer that he was ready to give me, but it was a year old. I was like, no, I want a puppy.
You better go ahead and get your little dog.
Huh?
You better go ahead and get your little dog.
What, one of those?
Yeah.
What, you don't want a boxer?
Oh, Poochie got caught. Poochie got caught.